Hey everybody, welcome to my subscribe my views and follow. Listening. If you guys want to see a HelloFresh unboxing, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is a HelloFresh unboxing. Sitting like this because the box is pretty big, and I did get this box from a friend. Thank you so much, my sis. She sent me an email to get my first HelloFresh free box. And HelloFresh is basically a place where they send you fresh food, and they have certain meals that you could pick from that's supposedly healthy for you, and it's an easy, quick meal to make. And then you say how many people that you're fixing for and things of that sort, and you're able to get, so hopefully they'll have the items, they'll have a paper in here, explaining in detail. But you get your first box free when someone sends an email. They generate an email. Once the your friend or whomever gets the email, you get an email. You have to redeem it before a certain amount of time, and let you know as well. And then once you redeem it, you will be paying the shipping. So all I had to pay was, I believe, $8 or $9 for the shipping, and that was it. So this is my first free box. So I believe they'll send me another email to let me know if I want to continue with it, and I can either put it on hold, say yes, whatever the case is. So yeah, so we shall see. Okay, so it came today, and it said something about coming Monday, but today is Sunday. So I was like, oh, and I had to unbox it today because it's fresh food, so you have to open it, you know what I'm saying? So you can't be leaving it out or whatever. So yeah, so this is a big box. So it says unpacked kit bags. They can go into the recycling. Visit our website. Okay. All right. So I'm sitting like this. I'm sorry, y'all, because I'm sitting like this. Okay. All right. So here we go. All right. So basically, they give you, they show you, I believe, what you got. So I believe I got the chicken stir-fried tacos. They tell you what it is. Okay. And I got the roasted garlic flatbreads, the roasted garlic zucchini flatbreads. All right. And I got the chicken stir-fried tacos. I'm going to try this tomorrow. And I got the Gouda burgers. I might try this tomorrow. And I also got the chicken garlic Parmesan spaghetti. No, I might try this one tomorrow. Okay, so they basically show you the ingredients, and they tell you, prep is 10 minutes, you cook for 40 minutes, and the calories. Okay, and it says that on all of them, so as you guys can see here. So let's just give a close-up. So let's just look at a yummy meal and see which one. I may try let's look at the Gouda burger. I think that's how you say it. So here it is here. Yay, I'm so happy. And then on the back, it tells you how to prepare it. And it tells you how long it takes. 10 minutes. You cook for 35 minutes. All right, this is very detailed and structured, okay? So I like that about that, okay? All right, so, yeah. So let me see how they want you to make it, okay? Oh, heat a drizzle. Okay. All right, so they send you a Hello Delicious Deals, okay? So you open for special offers. So they basically have special offers in here that you can look at on your leisure time, okay? Again, I'm sorry, I'm turned to the side. And I hope y'all can hear me, because... All right, so they packaged this pretty good as to where it can stay cool. Okay. All right. So basically, this is the Gouda burgers. All right. Okay. I'm not going to open them. All right. But I'm just going to show you guys. This is the chicken stir-fried tacos. This is the roasted garlic zucchini flatbreads. And this is the chicken garlic Parmesan spaghetti. All right. And this is the chicken breast strips. The boneless chicken breasts. All right. And this is the ground beef. Okay. And this is the Nando's mayonnaise. and a block of ice. Okay. All right. So that is basically it about that. So let me move this box out the way. All right. So y'all. All right. So basically that is it. That is the HelloFresh. They give you all you need. They basically you basically don't lose these. They show you how to make it. They give you all the ingredients. They tell you what ingredients is in it, and then you just basically make it, and then you can have your meal. And it's supposed to be easy and very self-explanatory. So that's basically about that. If you guys want me to show you guys how I cook my HelloFresh, you could definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to do that for you. I'll try to just film it anyway, and then I'll just hold it. And if you guys want to see it, I already have it. I don't want to be like, oh, I did it already, so you have to wait till later, whatever the case is. So I'll try to make a meal since I'm off tomorrow. My vacation is over. Anyway, that's another story. So I'm off tomorrow, and I'll be back to work on Tuesday. So I'll be able to probably cook something. So I don't know. I might cook I want to do the garlic. I want to see. Let me see. It depends on what. I might do the burger. I don't know. Or the flatbread. That look like it's easy, but I don't know. They all look easy though. I don't know. I might want to do the burger. The burger looks like I want the burger with the potato wedges and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this is like something I would want. So yeah. So I'm trying to see if I should cook it in the air fryer. They got a pan there, so I'll see. And that's just basically it about that. So they have chicken stock concentrate. And they have, okay. Oh, wow, okay. So I'm just going to put everything in the refrigerator. And that's basically about that. So once you get it, make sure you open it and you put everything in the fridge, because everything is supposed to be fresh. And then that's basically about that. This is looking like I may keep this, like, so basically you look up whatever plans that fits in your budget, however many people that you're gonna cook for. I think the minimum is 2. I don't think you just buy for 1 person. And then I think it's up to 4 or 5. I forgot. And then you basically choose what you want to choose, and if you want to add something else on there, like some type of dessert or something that they have, everything is healthy and supposedly fresh. So whatever else you add on, that's what's going to add on. So they have different types of meals. You can customize your meals if you want to. When you get your your free box from your friend, they already have pre-selected meals. If you don't switch out or swap out any meals that they have pre-selected, they're going to send the pre-selected meals. So you have a certain amount of time before you could change it, and up to a certain period of time to where you could change it as well. So say if you selected your meals and you was like, oh, wait a minute, I don't want that meal, I want another meal, you can go back to it in the window that they have provided before they ship out your items and things of that sort, or whatever the case is. Okay, so they give you that deadline or whatever. So I thought that was pretty good too. So even if you select it after, maybe probably like the next day or the next hour, you're like, oh, wait a minute, never mind, you go back in and edit it. But after the window was gone, then you cannot edit it because they already packed your stuff up and it's time to go, whatever the case is. So just make sure that when your friend or whomever sends you, your email, you have to redeem it before it expires. Okay, and once it expires, I don't know if they can send another one back or whatever. So just make sure that you take heed to that and check your email, whatever the case is. So usually the emails are really quick and they come there quick or whatever. So the HelloFresh was pretty quick, because I did this probably, I forgot what day I did it. Was it on a Friday? I think a Thursday or Friday. And they said it was going to come on Monday, but today is Sunday. So I was like, oh, okay. So I set the box outside, like, oh, okay. So yeah, so that's basically about that. So I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, so I can't wait to try this. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have tried HelloFresh. Would you try HelloFresh? This is my first time trying this, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat. Like, I'm so hungry, but it's so like late. It's like 1 o'clock right now, so ain't nobody cooking that. So I have to wait till tomorrow. But anyway, so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Once again, if you guys want me to show you guys what I've cooked, let me know, and I definitely will show you guys. I'm probably just gonna automatically record tomorrow. I've been recording my butt off all this week. I've been putting up these videos. I've been doing TikTok. I've been doing so much, y'all. So yeah, so I've been working. I've been working when I wasn't working. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's basically about that. But yeah, so it's all good and fun because this is what I want to do and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's just basically about that. So yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this. If you did, do you like it? I'm just basically did an unboxing of HelloFresh. It's not a review because I did not try any of the items, but I like the service so far because everything was quick. It was easy, you know, to work on the internet. It was very user friendly. It was nothing complicated, but I'm sure if you have any questions, you could definitely contact customer service or contact them, and they'll be glad to help you. Okay. All right. So that's basically about that. So I am done. If you want a review, I'll come back with a review of the food and how it tastes and things of that sort. I might do like a mini mukbangs and come on here and taste the food with you guys or whatever, or I'll do that, you know, within the video and let you guys know how it is. So let me know what y'all think about that. Okay. So hit the like button if you share, if you like if you like, subscribe if you like, and check out my other content that I have in the end cards here or in the iCard above, and you can definitely check out my other content that I have. And if you are interested in this unit, I do have a video on it. I don't know if it's going to be before this or after this, so just check it out where it's at, and you could definitely go straight to it. It's very recent from this video, so yeah, so that's basically about that. So I am done, y'all. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. And yes, this is another thing added. HelloFresh. Okay. Yes, I'm always doing something on my channel. It's a variety channel. Don't come for me. Okay. All right. So that's basically about that. So I am done, y'all. I'll be back. I will talk to you guys later. That is it. I'm done with the unboxing and I'm out, y'all. So have a wonderful, blessed day, blessed night when you're watching this. Be safe. Peace. Bye.